Good morning, class 8th. So, today we start the chapter number 4, playing with the numbers. Now, in this chapter, we have to study about certain form of the numbers, like number in general form. Then we go for the coding and decoding. Then number and puzzle games are there. Okay, some patterns are also there. All the things we will study in this chapter. Now, directly, I think no definition is there in the exercise. So, directly we start the exercise 4.1. In exercise 4.1, the first question is write the following number in the general form. So, we have to write the number in general form. So, first part is question number 1. First part, that 48 is there. So, we have to write in the general form. How we can write this one? Like, we have to express in the form of 10. So what we can write, like 4 into 10. Now 4 into 10 is what? 40, and we want 48. So how much we have to add? Like here, plus 8. So this is the general form of this 48. Same as it is 39, you can do 3 into 10, 30 plus 9, 39. Then C part 143. C part, third part is 143. Now if you go for this one, here what we can write, like first we want 100. So I can write 100 into 1 is 100, plus now 4 into 10 is 40. So 100 plus 40 is what? 140. Now we want 3 more. So what can I write? Plus 3. This is the answer of 143. Now same as it is you can do for the 509 D part. Now question number second is the opposite of the first one. Second is write the following in the standard form. Now we have to write the following in the standard form. Now the numbers that are given in the question, and we have to write in the standard form. First part is that 10 into 8 plus 5. 10 into 8 plus 5. First we have to do the multiply always. So 10 into 8 is what? 80. And 80 plus 5 is what? Answer is 85. A very easy question is there. Then second part is 100 into 2 plus 10 into 7 plus 3. So 100 into 2 is what? 200. 200 plus 7. 200, this is 200. 210 into 7 is 70. 200 plus 70 is 270, and plus 3. So final answer is what? 273. This only the answer. And the third and fourth part are same only, like C part answer is 60 plus 1, 61, and fourth part you can do by your own. Now last question for the today class, that find the value of the unknowns. Some unknowns are given in the question. This is the concept of the coding and decoding. Like it is given that 31A. Third question. First part. It is given that 31A and 1A 3. It is given, and we have to do the addition. Now what value, and answer is also given, 501 will be the answer. Now what will be the value of A here? We have to think about that. What is the value of A? Like what I put here in the place of A, here 1 will be came. Suppose if I put 1, A value 1, 3 plus 1, 4. If I put 2, 5. If I put 3, then 3 plus 3 is 6 only. If I put 4, then also 7. If I put 5, then 8. If I put 6, then 9. If I put 7, then 10. If I put 8, then 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 will be here and 1 will be here. So let us check with the A. If the value of A is 8, if I put it here, 8, so 8 plus 3, 11, 1 will be carry. Okay. Then 1 and 1 is what? 2. And here A value is 8, 8, 9, 10. So 0, and again 1 will be carry 3, 1, 4, and 1, 5. So answer is 8 only. So this is the value of A here, 8. Now B part. This is the concept of the coding and decoding. For the B part, 4a plus 9, 8. Here answer is 3, then B and C. Now what value we have to put here for the A that we get 3 here? So if I put 5, 8 plus 5 is 13. So 5, now look at that, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 will be carry. Okay, then 9 and 10, 14, then B value is what? 4, and 14 will become here. C value is 1. A very easy question is there, this one, if you go for that. Now C part, AB plus 37. Answer is 6A. Now a challenging question is there. Now here that A is there and here B is there. Now a little bit tough is there. We have to think like that. Okay. Now which satisfied this one condition? For this we have to think. 5. If I take B value is 1. Suppose if I take B value is 1, 1 plus 7 is 8. Here 8 will come. Then A value is 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. But answer coming is 6. Means B value is not 1. If I go for the 2, then 7 plus 2, what? 9. 9, then 9 here. 9 plus 3, 12. Again 6 is coming. No. So, like that only we have to go for that the value of B. If I go like 3, 4, if I go for the 5, just check it. That 7 plus 5. If I go for 5, 7 plus 5, 12. 2 will be here and 1 will be here. Okay, now A value is what? 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6. This satisfied the equations. So the value of B is 5 and A value is 2. This is the answer of the third part. Now fourth one, AB into 3. AB into 3, CAB will be the answer. Now look at that. What number we have to multiply, the answer will be this only. If you look at that, what number we have to multiply, the answer is this only. The 0 is the number when we multiply, the answer is 0 only. If you look at that, like, so the value of B we will assume first as 0. So B value is 0. If I multiplied 0, 3 into 0, 0. Now here, what we have to multiply, that number, the answer is came, the CA. A value is 5. If like 3 ones are 3, answer 3 only, C will. 3 3s are 9. No, 3 4s are 12. If I go for that 3 4s are 12, like 4, 3 4s are 12, then here 2 and 1 came. But I want the same number. Whatever value A is here, here also same only. If I go for the 5, like that, 3 5s are 15, then here 5 only. 3 5s are 15, then A value 5, C value 1. Same value is coming, look at that. So A value is what? 5 and C value is what? 1. A little bit tough question this one. And the last part for the class, E part, that AB into 6, answer will be, that AB into 6, answer will be B, B and B. Now look at that, this one. Whatever value we have to take, the answer will be all the come same number. If I go B value is 1, then 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, here 6 will be came, and if I take A value different, we have to take then. A value whatever I have to take. Here a little bit tough question is there. So if I go B value with the 4, look at that. That 6 4s are 24. 2 will be carry, 6 4 is 24, 4 will be down, and A value if I take 6 sevens are 42, then only 4 4 will come, 42 plus 2, so A value will be what here, 7. Like look at that, 6 sevens are 42, 42 plus 2 44, and here also 4 and 4 because B value is 4 4 4. So B value is 4 and A value is 7. These are a little bit tough questions. Whenever do the practice you will get the answer. So like this only we have to do. Now 3 questions are completed and 3 to 4 are left, that we will do in the next class, and after we start the second exercise, divisibility of numbers. Now thank you all of you, be safe at home, be healthy. Thank you.